Hello, this is Chuck at Aquatic Artists. I just wanted to take a minute and thank everyone for all the responses that we've gotten. We've been doing a lot more content over the last year about the funny, cool stuff we do, and we've gotten a lot of responses. So we wanted to say thank you. We also are starting Genesis waterfall kits, which is natural stone, custom designed waterfall kits that can be packaged and shipped anywhere in the country. There's 5 different lines to that. There's Genesis, Genesis Formal, Genesis Pro Formal, and our accessory line. So we're gonna be doing a lot of content and marketing around that to build that brand and let everyone know how cool it is. So we said, you know what? Marketing is content, content is marketing. So we said, you know what? We're gonna build out a content studio, right? So we built out this really cool space that we're gonna do all of our content. There's gonna be a lot of informative, educational, project showcases, and especially with the Genesis line, we're gonna show those projects, how they're built, how they're sold, how they're installed. So there's gonna be a lot of fun stuff coming. We've got like a cool backdrop. I want to do something kind of different. So we got this green screen backdrop and we also have this 75-inch whiteboard. It's a digital smart board that we work on. So we can have engineering plans, videos, you can draw on it, pinch, there's just so much you can do and it's super interactive, right? And I got the big one, right? Because this is the biggest one they sell, which is really cool. So it's like my new toy. We're really enjoying it. We use it for everything. And then we've got a table over here that we're going to do podcasts and different things like that. So there should be a lot of interesting things coming up in 2025, informative, educational, and sort of innovative and inspiring. So stay tuned. It's going to be a great journey in 2025. Thank you.